This weird-looking airplane is the most badass aircraft. Meet the Super Guppy, a unique airplane that made it possible for men to reach Moon. Built in 1960, Super Guppy was originally designed to transport rocket components by NASA. It was built with a cargo bay of 20 feet in diameter, which was the largest cargo hold ever featured in an aircraft. The Super Guppy is nicknamed Frankenplane, and it is a literal one, because the Guppy is actually made of elements from other aircraft. The Pregnant Guppy, as the original model was known then, was made from not one but two Stratocruisers. Guppy cut the delivery time of rocket components from the factory to the launch site from 18 days to 18 hours. It remained in service with NASA for 32 years, carrying rocket parts and flying for a whopping 3 million miles during that time. Many biggest cargo-carrying airplanes like Airbus Beluga and Boeing Dreamlifter are based on the Super Guppy. The officials were so skeptical about its success that police and fire departments were asked to be on alert on the maiden flight of Super Guppy. But the Super Guppy proved them wrong. During its 32 years of service, Super Guppy has aided NASA in milestone space missions like Apollo, Gemini and ISS programs. As one of the rarest planes on the Earth, Super Guppy has left a rich legacy behind.